Hi guys, Tom Morrison here and welcome to part 3 of our hinge series where Jenny and I are taking you through how to hinge properly while using the kettlebell. So now if you've watched part 1 and part 2, we've got our positions, we know how to put tension into our lifts. Now what happens when the pesky kettlebell starts moving? Are we able to maintain our positions while we're having to actually counterbalance a weight moving on us? So what Jenny's going to demonstrate here is the Dead-Stop Pendulum Swing. She is going to set up, so if Jenny goes close to the kettlebell, first of all, just roughly for everyone, about 1 foot back away from the kettlebell. You'll get a better feel for this yourself over time, depending if you've got really long limbs or whatever. You'll probably not need to step back as far. So from here, what she's going to do is she's going to stoop down into her hinge position. She's going to tilt the kettlebell as if she was trying to hide a body, and she's going to drag it towards herself. So from there, she maintains her structure, her position. She tries to break the handle in half, and she's going to pretend that she has a board here just at the shins, and she's going to have to lift the kettlebell up over the board into her hips, and then she sets it back down immediately into that position again. So notice here, as she pulls the weight forwards, and then comes back again. She doesn't round her back, she doesn't get pulled out of position, she doesn't fall over, anything like that. She's able to shift her weight to the front of the foot and to the back of the foot with where the kettlebell is. And this is the Dead-Stop Pendulum Swing. So this is how you would set up for your kettlebell swing. Very, very efficient way to do so, and it's going to give you more bang for your buck out of your first rep as well whenever we get stuck into it. So big things here you want to make sure you're doing is using a weight that is heavy enough for you to work with. It's actually going to almost pull you out of position. If you do this with something that's far too light, you'll just stand there and roll it with your arms. You're not going to get a feel for it at all. Okay, so that is the pendulum Dead-Stop